Welcome back to another Cleaning with Casey. Today, we're going to learn about how to help around the house by cleaning the floors. There are quite a few ways of doing that, but today we're going to talk about using a broom, a vacuum, or a Swifter. Now, these all can help with dirt, dust, or stickiness on the floor. Let's find out how to use this. The first way we're going to talk about today is using a broom. Brooms are used to sweep everything off the floor that could be dirt, dust, or maybe animal hair if you have a dog or a cat. Brooms can only be used on hard floors though, like wood, marble, or tile floors. So you start by sweeping everything into a pile, then you gotta go get your dustpan, and you sweep everything into the dustpan and throw it away. My little brother Dakota will be helping me show you how to use that today. The vacuum is next. What a vacuum does is it helps suck all of the dirt and dust off the floor so that it's not there anymore. Vacuums are mostly used on carpet but can be used on hard floors too. Vacuums can be loud and heavy though, so be safe when you're using them. They also need to plug into the wall, and outlets can be very dangerous, so you always have to make sure you get an adult's help before plugging anything into the wall. Now, Dakota will help me show you how to use a vacuum to suck up all of the paper. Finally, the last way we're going to learn how to help around the house today is using a Swifter. Swifters help get any extra dirt, germs, or stickiness off the floor. Remember to always vacuum or sweep before using a Swifter, or it's just going to make a bigger mess. Also, Swifters are very easy to use. You just have to push the button on the handle, cleaner will spray out from the bottom on the floor, and then you just push the Swifter through it and it's gonna clean it. Make sure you clean everywhere on the floor before you're done. Now Dakota will show you one last time how to use a Swifter. that's going to be it for today. I hope you guys and girls are helping mom and dad out around the house with cleaning. Hopefully this week you help clean the floors. And I hope to see you all soon at school. I miss you all. Have a very good one till next week. Bye.